Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change oil on a Hyundai Elantra. First, gather your essential tools, including a wrench, a new oil filter, and the correct type of new oil. Make sure your vehicle is on a level surface and safely supported with jack stands. Then, locate the oil drain plug and the oil filter underneath your car. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe oil change process. Now, place a drain pan directly under the oil drain plug. Using your wrench, carefully remove the drain plug and allow all the old oil to flow completely into the pan. This step is crucial for removing contaminants. Once the oil has fully drained, clean the drain plug and reinstall it securely, ensuring it is tightened to the manufacturer's specifications to prevent leaks. Next, use an oil filter wrench to remove the old oil filter. Be prepared for a small amount of oil to spill. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin layer of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. This helps create a good seal. Then, pour the recommended type and amount of new oil into your engine's oil fill cap, typically around 4 to 5 quarts for most Elantra models. Finally, start your engine and let it run for a minute, then turn it off. Wait a few minutes for the oil to settle, then check the oil level using the dipstick, adding more if necessary to reach the full mark. Carefully inspect around the drain plug and the new oil filter for any signs of leaks. Remember to dispose of your old oil responsibly. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.